शहर हैदराबाद के बशीरबाग में वाक़ सिविल सर्विसेज एकेडमी के ज़ेर एहतमाम मुस्लिम अक़लियतों को सिविल सर्विसेज में शिरकत के लिए तरगीब दी जा रही है। जनरल मैनेजर सिविल सर्विसेज एकेडमी मोहम्मद बशीर ने कहा कि IAS और IPS और IFS बनने के ख्वाहिशमंद मुस्लिम तलबा के लिए 17 मई से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का आगाज किया जा रहा है, जिसमें शिरकत के लिए मुनक़िदा मॉक टेस्ट में शिरकत करें।
I am Kalbi Zahra, student of 10th standard from Sri Chandra's Quest High School, Hyderabad. My principal is Sayyid Mansoor Hussain Junaidi sir. Firstly, I would like to say that I feel blessed that I got an opportunity to be a part of a webinar as great as this one organized by the Civil Service Academy. I am really grateful to Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, to Mr. Muhammad Sayyiduddin sir, to Mr. Abdul Qadir sir for their initiative steps for the empowerment of the Muslim community. As you said, the future of our country lies in our hands, the youth. And in times like this, when the youth is lacking behind in time, when we are not able to keep up with time, when it starts to seem that our dreams are falling apart, programs like this comes as a lifesaver. It encourages us to give our best. It motivates us and inspires us to become the best version of ourselves. Your words inspired me to create a society where everyone blossoms, where everyone leads a better life. And I want to create an environment where everyone lives happily with equality and love. And thank you so much for your precious time and your wise word. Thank you so much.